We are helping to facilitate a skilled trades camp this week for 25 students in Ankeny.
We're trying to expose high school students to careers in the skilled trades. Oftentimes there seems like there's a barrier between the school setting and the workforce. And we're trying to help students recognize there's multiple pathways to a viable career, especially careers in the skilled trades.
I'm having lots of fun. This entire week's just been a joy. We got to try out, we went to all the different unions and were able to just get a little taste of what each different trade does. And my favorite part was going to the plumbers and steam fitters union yesterday. I got to weld, it's the first time I've ever done that and something I've always wanted to do.
For me, it's really just to see what's out there. I'm not sure exactly what I would like to do after high school. So for me, it's been really valuable to see what all I could do.
We've been to several union training facilities, the plumbers and steam fitters, electricians, carpenters union. We've been to non-union facilities, job sites, just trying to expose kids to all the trades, all the different pathways, all different options that lay out there for them.
It's been amazing working with Des Moines Home Builders in Brandon and just find ways for students to connect with the different pathways and opportunities that exist right here in our community.
We actually have some of our students here with us that they took a week off of work. Let's say he works for an electrician company. He took a week off of making money doing that because he wants to be sure that that's the path he wants to pursue or see if there's something else. So he's making up his mind. Other students saying, yeah, I didn't know what I want to do, but I really like the plumbing part or the electrician part. They're really starting to get some clarity on what they might want to do, which might help them plan their next few years of high school and beyond.
So I work at a small electrical company now, and I wanted to make sure that electrical is what I wanted to go into before I jumped in with both feet. And so this camp gave me the opportunity to go around and talk with like journeyman apprentices, people in all like different parts of construction, and just get information so that way I could make a confident decision that electrical is what I want to go into. And after this week, I can say it for sure is, and very excited to graduate and get the ball rolling with that.
I think one of our passions and one of the purposes of this camp is to help kids realize there are multiple options they have after high school. The 4-year college route, the 2-year college route, they all know about that. That's out there. And for some careers, that's the path to go. But there's a lot of other careers where you can go and start working tomorrow, right after you graduate, and gain some experience, and then maybe do further education after that. Or maybe you know what trade you want to go into, and you join the union, you start on the job training, and you come to a training facility 1 week out of every 7 or so. So you're making money while you're getting training that you aren't paying for, and in 4 or 5 years you come out and you can take your test and be a journeyman.
There are so many great opportunities that this camp have shown me. Like, you can make great money and not have to go to college, which is something I didn't really know.